Welcome to Tall Whites. This video is to show evidence of Charles Hall's account of tall white alien habitation in the Indian Springs Valley. So as we leave Creech Air Force Base, we head north towards the areas of alien activity and a close-up tour of Scout Craft Parking. This is a newspaper clipping found on Biblioteca Pleiades, dated January the 5th, 1951, in the Las Vegas Review Journal. The key phrases are: the contract wasn't an atomic project, it was for construction of housing facilities, $300 million was a large budget in 1951 and was for a preliminary project, so we can assume more construction was done afterwards. So we are flying over what I believe is Area 53, and shortly we will start to take a closer look at the tall white scout craft repair installation as described by Charles Hall. In early 2018, Google Maps showed this view of an electrical store called Scout Craft Parking. The Google label and electrical store listing vanished shortly after. I think TWAO stands for the Tall White Area of Operations. So now we are at a low elevation with Google Earth at Scoutcraft Parking. Before we start the tour, we should take note of any weird objects, of which there are many. Nothing here looks like human architecture or structure. This is a glimpse of what it is like to fly around an alien world. Look out for the oval object parked at the bottom of the upcoming ravine. It may well be a tall white scout craft as described by Charles Hall. I'll leave you now to enjoy the rest of the tour.
Perfect.